Right now, I will show you how you can find the resolution of both your iPad screen as well as the media like the photos and videos on your iPad. So if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything. So at first, when it comes to the media, well, you can find it inside of the Photos app. Like no matter if you click on a photo or a video, you have a little information icon in the top right corner and you can click it. It will give you some things about it and you can see the exact resolution of the photo or video captured on the iPad or even imported to the iPad. The information will be right there. But if you need to know the resolution of your screen, you can also find it by going into the settings, tapping on a general, then about, and just pay attention to the model number. So you can tap on it so it gets shorter, it like a different number appears. For me, it is A2377. And I can easily type that into the Google search and get all of the extensive information about my iPad. So I can check out all of the, specs and everything regarding the display, sensors, and everything regarding this iPad. So I have the ability to find it on the Apple's official website, so it all works very well. Of course, if you have like any other iPad, you will see like a different information, but it's going to be specific to your device because you are looking for exact model number. So it is most definitely going to be pertaining to your device. But that is going to be about it for me. Let me know if you managed to find it successfully on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later.